Why go on, Mrs. Miss? You don't really call my phone, you know?
I would have waited them, Mr. Sir, about the place.
What you talk about, Mrs. Miss?
What you mean by when me a talk about?
Eh?
So you not get advice,
Big
too?
man thing, you know? I think you should have a question there, you know?
I never question you. I ask you something.
Why?
Anyway, you know, tell Mr. Sir, say if me find out or me if find out, that the advisor, they better know how to advise him.
Dear Mrs. Miss. That's why me have to look that the church get here over me, you know? In a time like this, she would have just pray. And God just comfort her.
Talks about people business, me don't know. What's a kid but dog, I'm grown now. Now pan the wagon, I'm so chrome now.
That one you move down real. I have to go sleep with that one fast. Right now. Baby, I get a dream and prepare yourself because that one you not got plan.
So why the rush?
You think I no number my dream about for go stand up in on a cash pot line and wait. me sure you one vibe. You don't think people look like you out the road?
Well, it's possible.
So wait, you don't think people can have the same dream like what I have last night?
Man, you're crazy.
The poor brain always a delay, like some bus are stuck in a traffic and plane when nobody no want. Heck, my car great. Yo, great.
Where you going with?
I feel like I want to keep something, you know.
What you just say?
I want to keep an event for business, although it's not registered yet.
So you plan to keep it? You run on the shop, pop-up style?
I'm not a restaurant where I run great. Run on the shop can't do what I want to do. Run on the lane I do it. Lane opening.
So you know, see the government of the place on the lockdown?
I want to hear great.
Or you go follow protocol?
I come stop at your foot and chat to you. And I want to chat over the phone for them recording purpose.
Yeah.
See me?
That sound good.
One, you know see me?
You know, so I never see you, Lily.
Well, if you never see well, no, you hear my voice. Well, how much of the little thing you're supposed to give me?
Pause there. I don't really take taxi, come ask me. Yo, big things come up, you know. Can't deal with small problem right now.
Pause there. So what you are call me? Smallers?
Driver, better you go on where you go, you know. No, I don't see you call out where you say you go, you know. Say taxi, then I go load, you know.
From my born, I was a Rasta man.
How this? Bob Far cousin.
You know, see, JC want to be all a part of the family.
Cool, no?
Yeah. I want T.I.
You say you want to make it in the music business now?
So I go on. And me, if you put poverty lane on the map.
Then no, see, no, so me if you be a manager.
Yeah.
Because from this pandemic thing, you know, I give up my welding profession, you know. No, nobody come tell me them build no gate, you know, man.
Wait, the great.
Yeah.
Build and gate nothing in the said sentence, you know.
Real talk, you know.
You know, see all the women left him.
Yeah.
Them boy they only come from mash up the earth, you know.
Yeah.
See, they now a vaccine, they want a vaccine in a Babylon, you know.
Yeah.
But a vax out, make a vax out of Babylon.
Where you say vax out?
You better protect your well-being.
Yeah, man, for real. See them want back sweet with them vaccine, you know.
Same blood, boy. No feel you're more important than me.
All the one greater come tell me about protocol. Like my answer number one me no know. I want to. See what I go on them government website. I want this. I want the Mrs. Smith. She turn journalist. But she has so much posts full up my timeline. What this? Public gathering, no more than. What this? Them ever see little bit of people down a town yet? Was poverty lane have no fence? 10 people to every yard space, cabana style. This now?
Well, go on, Mr. Sir.
Well, go on, TefNation, I can't see ya. Come like I am my first straight for the day too. You know, here what go on, I mean a coach over on the side there, you know.
Yeah, Jeremiah, Mr. Sir.
And one TefNation, remember say we are poverty lane first class citizen, you know. But make you think the girl them wants to eye and those say buy it here.
Go on, Mr. Sir. You know the things.
Easy, man.
So what go on in the place?
Right now, what me I go make go on run on the platform. Come make a go make a link.
Me I go down a poverty lane because I want to see a wish bed the boy down there set out. Right now, me go broke up the mile and milk powder settings. About Tana the advisor. Well, she have to advise me while me advise she to leave my man alone. It'll get to me. Anyway, I'm call my backup. Kerosene.
What go on, girl? Long time I hear your voice.
If I tell you the truth, you know, I'm afraid of this whole pandemic thing. Me no want nobody to chat up to me. Why everybody have to wear mask?
Come like I see how I see the words them will come out of people's mouth. I want to you. Anyway, where you going with?
Right now, me I come down a poverty lane. Come on, I wish bed Mr. Sir in down there set out. And with who?
But there, girl. Forward.
The way everything's moving fast, I feel like I have a baby inside of me. Mrs. Miss just coming last. And in Jamaica, baby's mamas have all the rights. Yeah, that's what I heard. And this is it. I know he sees the signs. He's just moving like he's tough. Watch him.
Don't tell her another dream and not inspire me for go turn up in a cash pot line. See it there? Michael Jackson dead and gone and the thing still happen. She no know say there is no business like show business. Make me call my family. Make me call my cuz. Keep this in the family. Who this? My rich cuz ever buzzing. Troyton, the international producer. Enough of them a try off of your name, you know. There you know with a planning on ready for step a foot.
Ah, boy.
Yeah, man. As we say them a try, but you make it.
Little sir, you don't change enough.
And a little sir again in a Troyton. I miss a sir, you know. Me not run up and down in a brief again, bigger.
You turn big man now.
A 2 trousers me a fair wear, you know. Me a change them gyal yard hard.
Well, from you say girl, it's a music that you know with DNA.
Yeah.
You know with blood.
Me like how you say music. Because me not call you for no family reunion in a Troyton. Business time. Here what go on.
Bim.
Yeah, deal with us.
How where you go with them bag of lion there?
Where you on? Vitamins?
I want to go on that place. I road work I go on that place.
On election time, go chat to Mr. Sir. Look like he might keep trade phone.
I want to hear Mr. Sir David.
Bim, you don't know, you know. Me only drive, me not ask question. The boss say me for left them. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, me I left them, you know.
Our event.
You know, listen to your radio.
Me don't know how I go on.
Oh, you're a Rasta, you don't know how I go on. Oh, you deal with us.
I know how I go on, man. I'm there in a place, you know, man.
Don't move from where you're there. And go and watch them, yeah.
Troyton said, Tia, the big artist, bring down suit for me. A mad thing. Them say me a high and balloon, but me a go show them how me a go bust my place. All over the one you have to go broadcast. Show time.
A long time, you know, hear them nice in our place. I want to go around this, sir. Even if a church service I keep, you know, me I go around there. Cause the man must around there. I wonder where the man Mr. Sir go on with. And him no invite me. Yo, me go grab the Bugle them and go see what I go on.
Right now is a good looking at property.
Wait there. Yo, them not see what I go on. Me no in a skirt, you know. But me make the place look like Dubai, da.
Yeah, man.
God know. Yo, them say, yo, follow your dream. And you see when that stop, just catch it. You know it's a good looking at poverty lane. Me can't believe it.
The place look good.
You say if you're a thief, come out. Police are look for you. We don't want them look for you around here. And you say if you're beat man, come out. Go up at the art clinic. Go check your brain because something wrong with you. Yo, me have a guess here.
I am Baker Bailey.
Easy Baker Bailey. Yo, big up all sponsors and mainers. I'ma mean that. Yeah.
Hey, great. Remember, you know, water the regular them for drink.
We could kick off the show now. Yo, you see that artist here? He might go create problem in here. Crazy problem. What his name?
DimonTreajah.
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 I want to big up the whole of poverty lane. I mean I say no ambition lane. I mean I say watching a try me kite. Oh, yeah, you hear me? Yeah. Rabble, it's like we are seeing at the future. Wicked heart won't stop the youth, yeah. Rabble, I go and fight the fight now. Give up him dream cause we born as a shooter. Rabble, your style come take over. Man a real soldier, no easy push over. See the world a rock to the youth, yeah. You know to DimonTreajah, me I say watch you now. And them for know you know. And the Roman motor lane opening. And me I say watch you now, Mr. Sir, the Rabble boss. And me I say great. And me I say watch you now, Amaze. And me I say Tanner. And me I say Franco. Yeah, hear my house. Oh, yeah, hear me? Yeah. Me time a come. When man a push out the Benz, the beam and the hum up on the end, say the time a come. When a big house pon the hill and pay hot gyal a run me down, me see the time a come. When man a fly in the sky pon a first class straight to the pie, yeah, the time a come. Me see me shine a come, black mind can't hold me down. Alright, it's like me a seeing at the future. Wicked heart won't stop the youth, yeah. But me a go and fight the fight now, give up me dream cause me born as a shooter. Me see me style come take over. Man a real soldier, no easy push over. Me see the world a rock to the youth, yeah. Cause me style it no usual. Alright, me cut the grass what day. Me see the snake them. Me see the liar, the thief. Me see the fake friends. Me see the ones them. We see them rate me and give me hypocrite tail. But I know me still no hate them. See the money pile up in the bank, yo. See my friends them passport full of stamp now. See me now fi sell me soul and the whole place a shell down. Yeah, me time a come. When man a push out the pens, the demand it.
How you bad so? The artist they bad. Yo, DimonTreajah.
Yeah, man, I like how the thing look. Rabble is entertainment and Troyton music, a ton of poverty lane.
Yeah, poverty lane feel nice.
Yo, yeah, man. You see the next artist here? You see when the woman them pretty is a blessing. And you see when them put themselves together, like them shopper sugar mills, beauty sweeter sugar, them have to step out like the artist here. What's your name? Tia!
No mercy.
Now it's a long time we ain't party like this. If you look nice, if you feel nice, I want you to sing it out right now. Nice up the party, come to have fun with somebody. Cause when the feeling's right, we will be seizing life. Now listen, Bounty couldn't be here tonight, but you know I had to come and represent for Mr. Sir, right? So if you're feeling good one more time, drop it. Love the life you live the life you're. How you feeling? Nice up the party, come to have fun with somebody. Cause when the feeling's right, we will be seizing thanks and praise that we're on the earth for another day. Yeah, send a PSA, tell all my girls that I'm on my way. Yeah, it's the party of the century. Roll out real clean on the entry. Long as my friends are fine, we not going home till our morning time. Cause we come to have fun with somebody. Cause when the feeling's right, we will be seen. What we come to do, lights up the bar. Come to have fun.
Yeah, Poverty a boss. So now echo we go up and try make it heights. I feel like all Mrs. Smith a hear that one here. One of them folk go any further. Selector, drop that one line there for you.
Baby girl, it's you I love the most. Baby girl, it's you I love the most, and I need you. Baby girl, it's you I love the most. Baby girl,
pull up that. Yeah, you know, say you have to make the woman them feel nice. Yo, right now more for big up all sponsors like Dirtworks Entertainment, Caribbean Garment Delight, Natty Garments, I'm a say Chris Scott. And you see the next artist say what me about for call on. If you call him or have him number right now, you might get a Chris shot. Who me I talk about? One of the baddest thing right now. And him a general. Who me I talk about?
One of the baddest thing right now.
BaddaGeneral. BaddaGeneral.
Hey, know me I represent for the whole place in a poverty lane. Even a man try make it heights. No ambitious lane, the whole place. Enough man a ball for you out of the door. Cause them want go up on a corner. Me just want for free for check Shana. Tell Jada me have a plan for her. For full up our kingdom, make she dash with the banana. I need to tell you big up everybody. Hey, yo, remember man. A BaddaGeneral, my name, you know me I represent. Yo, hear me man, Mr. Sir. The real rebel boss. Remember you in a place, man. I remember man, Miss there, and you know, hey. Remember, hey, hear me man, Amirs. Big up yourself, yo, great. Franco. Yo, Tony, you know it going on, man. The boss say, hold it in, man. And if you don't like what I'm talking, wish when you drive out, your car broke down, front tire flat, steer you no have none. When you go out, you go look on the damage. Mr. Sir, make a heavy rain come down, me wish. The man where you left me for, left you next week for your neighbor. When you think of the worst thing that, you find out same did a try for your sister, me wish. Me never left the two jelly. When you drink them, me wish them run your belly. All the few little snapper when me buy, me wish them spoil not even one you don't fry. Me wish. I'm wishing, I'm wishing, I'm wishing. I wish things get bad with your living. Can call me bitter if you want. No man enough you reap it if I'm in plan. I'm wishing, I'm wishing, I'm wishing. Wish things get bad with your living. Call me bitter if you want. No man enough you reap it if I'm in plan. Ease out!
Yo, beat not true, ya Rasta, you know. Me I go ask BaddaGeneral if not anything not come down in the barrel there. Yo, big up the real elder in the place. A meals, a beer champagne to your face. Right now your new nickname is Rose Champagne. And you start the campaign. Yo, right now the next artist me I go call up him better than your left and your right hand. Why you look on your hand for? Who me attack?
Right now, to the stage, the Bubble, the new brand Bubble. Put your hands together and welcome Teflon! Teflon! Teflon!
Yeah, man, Mr. Sarah and Mrs. Smith, Teflon representing you, don't think going on. And a glance one of your beat, we show them, say we are not the street, red denims. The never-ending story, Mr. Sarah, Mrs. Smith. Yo, poverty lane. You know Teflon, young king. Yeah, 1 year. Them want to see the end of this. Them now go see the end of this. We red can clean without no felony. So we just keep them up with memory. We learn from the rough days of my life. Before you move, please just think twice. The battlefield I know something nice. Mr. Sir, the streets them cold like ice. Hey, cause some are so taker. We left you in a old weather. Me know better. Flick with the chrome better. So go get your gold them the outlesser. Don't go you when you see Mr. Sarah go from. Haters and traitors with smile on their face. Maintain my space on this time, Mrs. Smith. Now that I've known all the line, we embrace them as snake to the truth and been blind. But I've grown, you know. Poverty lane never giving up. Cause I've opened closed doors. We never give it up. Hey, them brimstone flames. Ooh.
Yo, right now, the way that stage show you hot and mad, you coulda wake up tomorrow and hear it on Fire 105. Me nah keep it a secret, me I tell you. Yo, no play with poverty lane and Mr. Sir. Them for know the game.
Place I get. Wow, the people might get their money's worth.
Yeah, the income a come in. Right now is a good look. Right now we upgrade from poverty to poor. Yo, you see the youth them from round and not ambitious lane? Go and wall it. Yo, you see the next artist what me about for call out? Him do it. And them a wonder how him do it. Even Nike said just go and do it. Who me a talk about? Bugle! Bugle!
Bugle to center stage! Bugle!
Come in the way like Google. The never-ending story, Mr. Search Jamaica's #1. Burn it down! Y'all tell me about the whole of the street in Jamaica. That mean you know about the street. Really? I know from man and what I'm capable of doing. But man, a real survivor. Rabble, nice. Only man will lie, Selassie. Yeah man, we out of the boy, we in the road. I'm straight travelings, no babblings. Burn it up, I said. I know from man and what I'm capable of doing. Try everything in the book just to see your life ruin. They never know we would have survived, yeah. But man a real survivor. All when them think me would have dead for younger, me survivor. Tell them we're better than BaddaGeneral, and we still are than MacGyver. All when them think me would have dead for younger. Some people only forward in your life to make you stress. The devil must send them to take your happiness.
So where she go?
But how are this? Give me the mic, Mr. Sir, I've been looking for you.
I want to you, Mrs. Smith.
I want to go on here, sir. I went since you know so much artists.
I want to you, Mrs. Smith. You don't think we have to bust the place?
The place look good though. It's a good look, yeah, go on.